Hi there and welcome back to another session of Business Studies with me, Vishwanath Sir. We are in the chapter Internal Trade and we shall continue to go ahead from there. We finished with your itinerant traders and retailers and now we go to the fixed shop retailers who have got fixed places and you will find them permanently there and there only. Okay, so let us understand what are fixed shop retailers. Fixed shop retailers are retailers who have got permanent establishment to sell their products or merchandise. They have shops in the marketplace or in residential areas. Okay, so this is how they operate. Let us go directly to the characteristics of fixed shop retailers. Fixed shop retailers vary from very small to very large. They need more resources as compared to the itinerant traders because they deal with many items together. Okay, so these retailers deal both with consumer goods and durable goods. Some of the retailers have more reliability amongst customers. They provide greater customer satisfaction or consumer satisfaction by providing them services such as free delivery, sales services, credit facility and exchange possibilities. Okay, so because of this they have got a good rapport with the consumers or the customers and they maintain the same amount of customers who are there with them for a long period of time. Okay, so just repeating the features of your fixed shop retailers, they vary from very small to very large. They need more resources as compared to the itinerant traders. These retailers deal both in consumer goods as well as durable goods. These retailers have more reliability among customers because the customers know that if there's any problem, these people sort it out very easily. They have got great consumer satisfaction they provide great consumer satisfaction by giving them facilities like free delivery, after sales service, credit facilities and exchange possibilities. Okay, the types of fixed retailers. The fixed shop retailers are categorized as small retailers and large retailers. Okay, there are various types of retailers under each category of retailers. Under fixed shop and fixed shop large scale and fixed shop small. Under the small you have got general stores, street stall holders, specialty shop holders, second hand goods dealers, second shop, single line shop. Okay, so these are the fixed shop small retailers. In the fixed shop large scale retailers you have departmental stores, multi shops, mail order houses, okay, and automatic vending machines also. Okay, you have all these things. Let's go to the small retailers first. Fixed shop small retailers are either small producers or traders who may buy goods from various wholesalers and they sell it to the ultimate customers. Okay, so what do? They buy from small retailers and then they sell it off to the small whoever buys it from them. Okay, so the small retailers can be classified as one is general stores or groceries. General stores are small shops which sell a variety of consumer goods procured from various manufacturers. They operate in a local market or residential areas. Their aim is to sell products which would be able to satisfy the day-to-day needs of the consumers in the nearby areas. For example, the convenience of customers such as stores start early in the morning and remain late till night. Okay, they also provide customer and credit facility services to the regular customers. Also, their general success is largely because of their reputation of the owner, its sales staff, and the sales services provided to the customer. Okay, examples of items sold: groceries, soft drinks, toiletry products, stationery, confectionery. The advantage here is that the consumer has access to the daily need products at their convenience. They do not need to stock it at home. Disadvantage: the general stores may not be often branded and sometimes you might not get good quality product. Okay, just going through the fixed shop retailers. These are the small retailers which we are talking about. The fixed shop small retailers are either small producers or traders who may buy goods from various wholesalers and sell it to the ultimate customer. The small retailers can be categorized as under: the first category is general stores. They are small shops. They sell a variety of goods, consumer products procured from varied manufacturers. They operate in a local market or residential area, so they are able to sell the products which would satisfy the day-to-day needs of the consumers in nearby areas. For the convenience of customers, such stores start early in the morning and remain open late till night. They also provide credit facilities for their regular customers. The success of the general stores largely depends upon the reputation of the owner, its sales staff, and its after-sales services. Examples of items sold here are grocery items, soft drinks, toiletry products, stationery, confectionery. Disadvantage is that the consumers, it might not be a branded and sometimes good quality product, but the advantage is that the consumer have the access to the daily need products at their convenience. Fine. From the general stores, I move to the specialty shops. Specialty shops are small shops which deal in a specific line of products manufactured by varied manufacturers. These shops provide the customers an opportunity to select a product from the wide variety of brands. Such shops usually operate at the central market or an urban area so that they can have access to a large number of customers. Okay. Example: Revolution shop selling western wear for special sizes. Sona Garments shop sells school uniforms of different schools. Anand Bookshop sells children books from different publishers. The advantage is that the consumers or the customers can choose from the different brands of a product, and the disadvantage is that such shops sell only one product. Okay, therefore they might not attract customers planning to buy different products. Okay, so the first which we discussed in a small retailer fixed shop was general stores. The second is the specialty shops. Specialty shops are small shops which deal with specific line of products manufactured by varied manufacturers. These shops provide the customers an opportunity to select a product from a wide variety of brands. Such shops may usually operate in the central market or an urban area so that they can have wide access to a large number of customers. Okay, so this is a specialty shop. They will deal with one line and they will have different brands. Okay, it could be socks, it could be your vest, it could be books. Okay, so on. Examples: Revolution shop selling western wear for special sizes. Then you have got Sona Garments which sells school uniforms of different schools. Then you have got the Anand Bookshop which sells children books from different publishers. And these are basically trying to focus themselves on one item. Advantage: the consumer can choose from different brands available for a product. So there are many brands, and in this process what happens is that the consumer can actually gauge the difference between the price and the quality of the two different brands, and he can settle down for the most trusted brand, and of course looking at the price also into consideration. Then the disadvantage is such shops sell only one product. Okay, if only one product is sold, they will not attract the customers planning to buy different products. So it is restricted to buying of one product only. Okay, so what we did so far was fixed shop, where we did general shop and specialty shops. Please go through whatever we did. Thank you so much. This is Vishwanath sir signing off.